In this video, we will learn how you can update your license in Astera Centerprise. Every Centerprise user is provided with a license key that contains information regarding the number of clients that can connect to a single server and the features available to the connected clients. Astera offers you the option to ask for an update in case you want to change this information or if your current license has expired. All you have to do is request Astera for an updated license, and once the update has been issued, you can apply it to your client by following a few simple steps. Let's go ahead and see how it can be done. The first thing you have to do is open the license management window, which can be done in three ways. You can go to the Tools menu and select Manage License, or you can go to the Server menu, click Manage, and select Manage License from the context menu, or you can click the Manage Servers License icon in the Server Explorer. For this demonstration, let's go for the first option. Once the license management window is open, you'll notice a few options at the bottom. Click Update License. On the following screen, click Update. Centerprise will now proceed to updating your license. As you can see, once the process is complete, it will notify you with this pop-up window. Click OK. Another pop-up window will tell you that the client needs to restart in order to implement the changes associated with the updated license. Once you click OK, the client will shut down. The update has now been put into effect, and you can see the changes once you start the client again. So this is how you can update your license in Astera Centerprise. Visit our documentation site for more information on how to use Astera Centerprise. Thank you for watching this video.